Can you relate this intense scene of the movie with the watch? It's that watch that restored human lives amid the crisis that brought Earth to the verge of extinction in the film Interstellar. This watch didn't just tell time, but depicted the symbols that Murph's dad sent across fifth dimensions to Earth to solve the equation that saved humanity. The Hamilton Khaki Field Murph, as seen in Christopher Nolan's Interstellar, won't give you any more signal of the code, but it truly will give you the most accurate timing, unfazed by its formidable resistance against magnetic fields. And if you are curious to know how this Hamilton Khaki Field Murph is a true representation of the marvelous timing backed by its Nivachrome spring technology and outstanding power reserve, stay tuned with us. Before jumping into the movie and watch connection, let's start with the basics. The Hamilton Khaki Field Murph is a faithful recreation of the watch worn by Murph, played by Jessica Chastain in the 2014 film Interstellar. This watch features the word Eureka printed in Morse code on the second hand, a nod to a crucial moment in the movie. In terms of specifications, this timepiece comes in a 42mm stainless steel case. It's not too big, not too small, just right for most wrists. The black dial ensures that the number reading gets easier as the golden color digits are very conspicuous inside the very beautifully black dial. Now let's peek under the hood. The Murph is powered by Hamilton's H-10 automatic movement caliber. What's so special about it? Well, it keeps ticking for up to 80 hours with a single wind. That means you could take it off on Friday night and put it back on Monday morning, and it'd still be running. All you need is to wear it once and give it a proper jolt. But there's more. The H-10 movement isn't just about seamless timing. It's got something called a Nivachrome balance spring. Nivachrome is a special type of alloy mostly used in high-end watches. Here, the spring that you can see, which has the spiral shape at the center of the wheel, is made of that alloy, meaning the spring is sternly maintained to give the accurate time. What happens with most watches is that they are susceptible to strong magnetic fields, such as speakers or smartphones next to them. Hence, the time accuracy is heavily disrupted. Even at the time of knock or drop, this accuracy can be withered. But this little piece of tech helps the watch resist magnetic fields. The watch also boasts water resistance up to 100 meters. So while it's not a diving watch, it'll handle a splash or two without breaking a sweat. Now let's talk about why this watch is such a big deal. If you've seen Interstellar, in the movie, the main character Cooper gives the watch to his daughter Murph before he leaves on a space mission. The reason mainly he gives to his daughter is to compare his watches with his daughter's one once he returns to Earth, when they would both be the same age due to the lightning speed of time near a black hole. And secondly, he would send that distinctive Morse code from the fifth dimension. As the story unfolds, the watch becomes much more than a keepsake. This was a custom-made watch exclusively for this film, and was never promised to be in Hamilton's catalog until 5 years later due to high fan demands. So what sets the Murph apart from other watches? First off, it's a solid piece of watchmaking. Hamilton has been making quality watches since 1892, so they really know their craft. The Murph is from their Khaki Field collection, which originally comes from military watch designs. Even without the movie tie-in, it's a solid, reliable watch. But let's be honest, the Interstellar link is what makes it truly special. This watch symbolizes the enduring bond between Cooper and Murph, transcending space and time. Plus, the design of the watch perfectly matches its on-screen role. It's straightforward and functional, just like you'd expect a watch worn by a NASA pilot to be. The cultural impact of the Hamilton Khaki Field Murph is significant. After Interstellar's release, fans eagerly waited for the widespread availability of these signature watches due to their immense love for the film and its character, especially for its aesthetic look and appealing design. Hamilton responded by creating a limited edition version, which quickly turned heads to watch enthusiasts and movie fans alike. This watch has also contributed to Hamilton's brand image, reinforcing their reputation for creating timepieces that are both functional and stylish. The Murph watch has set design trends with its clean lines and vintage look, appealing to many watch enthusiasts. Hamilton has a long history of collaborations with Hollywood, with over 400 movie placements to their name. The Murph watch stands out as one of the most memorable because of its integral role in Interstellar's plot and its emotional significance. To wrap things up, the Hamilton Khaki Field Murph is a pure aristocratic watch, not just for its connection with the film and its character Murph, but also for its sublime features. It exudes a stainless steel case made of steel and chromium that hardly leaves any erosion. Its sapphire crystal is almost ironclad, and only diamonds can make a cut. Its iconic status is well-deserved, and its enduring appeal continues to captivate fans of both watches and movies. Whether you're a collector, a movie buff, or simply someone who appreciates a well-made timepiece, the Murph watch has something to offer. It's a reminder that even in the vast expanse of space and time, our connections to one another are what truly matter. So what's your take on the Hamilton Khaki Field Murph? Is its availability what drew your attention, which was once confined to only a movie, or a whole of its technicality that makes you think to give it a try? Whatever your thoughts, we'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below and join the conversation.